Welcome to the shop. My name is Brad. This is Woodcraft. And today I'm going to take something that I started to build and turn it into something else. Let's get started. All right, first thing we need to do is sketch this out. So I'm just going to take some graph paper here and I'm going to kind of draw out what I want this to look like. And I think we're going to have a base. It's going to be about half an inch thick. Okay, then we're going to come up here at a 60-degree angle. So we're going to come up here and I'm just going to kind of eyeball this to 30-ish. Come off the corner, come up to there, then around there. And for these purposes, I think that drawing is going to be good enough. So basically, it's going to look like an A. And then we'll come out here however far it takes to put a coffee cup. All right, I guess we'll get going on this and see what we come up with. I'm going to set this aside for reference, but first thing I need to do is cut these bevel edges off and get this cut down to the width that I want. So I think the width that I want is going to be about what this book is. This is kind of an average size book. So the book measures about 8.5 inches. I think I'm going to make this object about 8 inches wide. And then we'll just kind of figure it out from there. Let's get to cutting some stuff. Okay, we're over here at the table saw, and the first thing I need to do is cut this bevel off of all 3 of these boards and get them kind of squared up, at least on one side. That way I can set it up to 8 inches, rip everything down to 8, and then we'll be good to go. So let's get these edges taken off. All right, we're over here at the miter saw, and I'm going to set the angle to 30 degrees, and we're going to cut off. We're just going to start cutting and see where we end up. Watch this. Yeah, that's what I'm going for right there. Okay. Now I just need to cut this off the length. All right, now I'm just going to pull over to about 4.5 inches, and I think that'll work. Just kind of spitballing this one here. All right, so we got all of our pieces cut. Now we just need to get them put together. I'm going to use some blue tape, and hopefully that'll work. So the first thing that I want to do is attach these 2 pieces to each other in that form right there. So we'll take some blue tape, and we'll go right along this edge. Right here. Get around there, you can see. We'll put some blue tape right along that edge. I'll flip that over. And now this edge, these are going to meet up like this. Okay. So I'm going to use my Boss Dog glue. Thank you, Boss Dog. Appreciate your support. And I'm going to pop this one in here. Dab glue along the top right here. And I'm going to go ahead, pop a little glue in right there. And now we're going to put these together. I'm going to let that tape. All right, that should hold that end. Now, my little triangle. I'll slide this in here. Flush that up to the end. That. And I'm just going to take another piece of blue tape. And I'm going to set that right over like that. Okay. Okay, well that's setting up. I'm going to go ahead and take a couple inches off of this because this is really long and it doesn't need to be that long. So I'm going to cut this down to where it's just going to hang over about 4 or 5 inches past where that little book ledge is. So I'm just going to cut that real quick at the miter saw. All right, I made that 10 inches. I think that's going to look really good with the rest of this. I'm going to let this glue set up, but before I go, I want to ask you for one quick favor. 85% of you guys aren't subscribed to my channel. If you could just take a quick second, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, let me know you care, and I'll keep making good content and you can keep watching. All right, well that piece is drying up. We need to do a little extra something on this bottom to give that some support on the end here. So what I'm going to do is take this over to the miter saw. I'm going to cut a 30-degree angle to match this one. And then we're going to cut it down to length so that it matches the end of this. And then we'll get that glued up on here. And that's going to tie that into the bottom so that it doesn't come loose. Perfect? Probably not. Pretty close. All right, I'm going to glue this up, clamp it, and then let that dry up. We'll get this thing assembled. I'm not too worried about sanding this because when I initially built it 3 months ago, I sanded everything so it was ready for finish. So it's fine. And I'm just going to put that on there, rub that back and forth a little bit so that joint stiffens up. And then get everything lined up where I like it. I'm just going to clamp this right to my table. All right. Oh, we'll let that set up. Look at that, it already holds glasses. All right, we're going to pop this loose. It looks like everything should be dry enough to continue. And pull this clamp off. And yeah, looks good. All right, so now we're going to pull the tape off of this and glue this together here. And then, oh no, oh no. Uh-oh. All right, I screwed up. This is too tall to fit this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this through the table saw, and I'm going to rip about 1/4 of an inch off of this right here. So I'm going to go fix that really quick, and then I'll be right back. All right, that should fit better now. Let's peel this off and see where we are. Yeah, that'll work. Cool. All right. So now, basically, I got to do this same glue up on this corner right here. And then we'll let that dry. So let's get this glued up. Just using tape on this too. That's okay. Come across this corner. Make sure everything's lined up. Make sure that's lined up. Okay. I think that should be good. I'm gonna let that sit up, and we'll be right back. All right, looks like it's set up enough to sand out. See what we've got going on here. So I'm going to pull the tape off and give it a test run. Oh, I hit the camera. Awesome. All right. All right, so you're reading, you're tired of reading. Set your book down and you go to sleep. That works really well. Fits just right. So, there's plenty of spot here to set your glasses, set a pen, set your phone, all the things that you need by your side. So I'm going to go ahead and sand this up. Put a coat of shellac on it, and perfect. We'll call it good. Let's get the sander. Okay, I like the way this came out. I think it's cute. I think it's going to be useful. Most of all, I think my wife's going to like it. So I made this for her. My name is Brad. This is Woodcraft. Check out this video right here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And most of all, don't forget to get out in your shop. Go make something cool. Have a good one.